In this video, I want to break down the best side hustles that you can do in 2024. Some of these side hustles are making people millions of dollars each year, while some are just earning people a little bit of extra money on the side. Most side hustles can be categorized into 3 different groups. Sit and click, think survey apps. This is mostly going to give you a little bit of money every month, but it's good if you want to get some takeout food. The second group is some effort, but keep it a side thing. Think maybe rent money each month. And then the third group is big dreams, but small steps. And I like to call this quit your 9-to-5. Determining which side hustle you want to start is a really important first step because certain side hustles require consistent effort in order to get that significant money each month. Even though I started side hustles when I was 10, the internet really changed the game for me. And in 2016, I applied and got accepted to Merch by Amazon, and that kicked off my side hustle income stream. I even continue adding to my side hustle streams, like this YouTube channel, which I initially started in 2006, but I didn't really kick it back up until last year. So I'm going all in. I'm going to be doing weekly brainstorming sessions and posting weekly. And the reason why I'm so passionate about side hustles is they genuinely changed my life. And I'm hoping this is your year to start some side hustles and alternative forms of income to supplement your 9-to-5 or your student life. So that was the why and the how of how I got started into side hustles. But now let's go into the side hustle options. And actually, if I get 100 likes on this video, I'm going to put a list of 35 side hustles with examples down in the description below. And this would be an excellent start for anyone new to side hustles. First up is NPC, which stands for non-playable character. NPCs make their money by going live on TikTok for hours each day. Each NPC has a unique character that they're trying to portray. If you ever played the game Zelda, they're like the helper characters in the game, but not the main characters. One example is Harrison X Flint on TikTok. For an earning ratings, I'm going to give this a 3 out of 5. There's potential for good earnings through viewer engagements and interactions, but it's highly dependent on consistently receiving high viewer engagement. For an effort rating, I'm going to give it 4 out of 5 because it requires you to go live a significant amount of time. Speaking of going live, going forward, I'm going to be going live at least once a week to talk about side hustles and brainstorming with you. So if you want to be notified when I have a live coming up, subscribe to my channel. The second side hustle is blogging, and this is a bare minimum of what you should be doing if you're looking to get into business or a side hustle, because personal branding is everything and everywhere. If you're going to be doing a blog, I would suggest doing something that's super niche. Think urban gardening for New York City or summer school teaching for toddlers. For an effort rating, I give this a 3 out of 5 because it needs continuous content creation and SEO optimization. For an earning rating, I give this a 3 out of 5. It's steady income through ads and affiliates, but it takes time to grow your audience. 3, open a TikTok shop. You can sell 2 ways on TikTok. You can do it through affiliate commissions or you can sell your own products. But either way, you're going to utilize shorts and going live to sell your products. For an effort rating, I give this a 3 out of 5. It involves curating products and creating engaging videos. For an earnings rating, I give this a 4 out of 5. Direct sales and affiliate commissions can offer good earning potential. And the fourth side hustle is affiliate marketing. If you have a TikTok account, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or a blog, you should be including affiliate links in all of your posts. Most products or services have an affiliate program, and you can earn extra money from mentioning these products. I give this effort rating a 2 out of 5. It's less effort to integrate into existing content platforms. I give the earning rating a 4 out of 5. It's high earning potential from commissions, and it's scalable with audience growth. Number 5, Amazon Influencer Program. It's just like affiliate marketing, but just for Amazon. You have to apply and get accepted, but after that happens, you can set up your own little shop on Amazon, refer people to click your links, and if they buy something within 24 hours, you receive a commission for that. My thought around this is if you're already doing reviews, you might as well do video reviews and get paid for it. For an effort rating, I give this a 2 out of 5. It's easy to set up and it integrates with content creation. For an earnings rating, I give this a 3 out of 5. There's good earning potential from commissions, but it's highly dependent on your followers purchasing. Number 6 is selling on eBay. Focus on vintage items, and it's even better if you can niche and have a little area. I know people will do clothing, dishes, glasses. You can find items at flea markets, garage sales, garbage finds, thrifting, auctions. When I was young, I would find bikes and lawnmowers in the garbage and I would fix them up and sell them at auctions. Lucky you, the internet exists now. For an effort rating, I give this a 3 out of 5. Requires finding, fixing, and listing items. For an earnings rating, I give this a 4 out of 5. High demand can lead to good profits. Number 7 is digital products. Think courses, ebooks, and templates. Here's an example of an Etsy shop that is killing it right now with real estate templates. For an effort rating, I give this a 4 out of 5. High initial effort to create quality products. An earnings rating, I give this a 4 out of 5. It's scalable earnings with low ongoing costs. Number 8 is 3D printing service or digital image creation for historical replicas. This has a huge nostalgia factor, especially for gifts. For effort, I give this a 5 out of 5. It requires technical skills and investment in equipment. For the earnings rating, I give this a 4 out of 5. It's a niche market with potential for high profit margins. Number 9 is 3D printing on demand. This is really popular with cosplay, but it could also be useful for home gadgets. Here's an example of one of my prototypes that I got made, which was 3D printed multiple times. But it gives you an idea of the capabilities, and one of my favorite 3D printing is called Shapeways. For effort rating, I give this a 4 out of 5. Its technical skills and equipment are needed. For the earnings rating, I give this a 4 out of 5. Customized products allow for higher price points. Number 10 is online ASMR content creator. Create and publish relaxing audio or video content featuring calming sounds like whispers, tapping, or natural landscapes. This caters to the growing audience that is trying to seek out relaxation and stress relief. So if you go for walks, runs, or bike rides, or even droning, is that a word? Then this would be easy to capture video content and either put it up as a calming video or make it into an inspirational video by adding a quote or a story. For effort rating, I give this a 3 out of 5. It needs creative content and consistent posting. For the earnings rating, I give this a 3 out of 5. It's a growing niche with potential for sponsorships and ads. Number 11 is Etsy Vintage Collections. This is basically you curating an entire collection of vintage items. So think dishes, glasses, clothing, an outfit. It could be 70s, 80s, 60s, 90s. It could be rare finds that you find in the market, art, home decor, dish sets. People will pay for something that's special and rare, especially if they don't have to go thrifting to find it. For an effort rating, I give this a 3 out of 5. Time spent hunting for collectibles and listing items. For an earnings rating, I give this a 4 out of 5. Unique finds can sell for high prices. Side hustle number 12 is custom digital artwork. Now this would be really popular, another nostalgia factor, with somebody that's looking to get a digital portrait of a childhood home or a pet or a family member who's no longer with us. This could be personal art or a landscape. For an effort rating, I give this a 3 out of 5. It requires artistic skill and time to create artwork. For an earnings rating, I give this a 4 out of 5. It's personalized art and it has high demand and it can command premium prices. Number 13 is UGC, user-generated content. And basically this is just you filming yourself using products or unboxing products. All you have to do is set up a freelance account. You can do this on Fiverr or Upwork, and you can use Canva to help put the graphics in there and then set up a website for yourself. Or you can use the Join Brands app, which is great. They have all the jobs posted already. You just need to apply for them. For an effort rating, I give this a 2 out of 5. You're leveraging existing product usage into content. For an earnings rating, I give this a 3 out of 5. You're growing demand from brands for authentic user content. Number 14. This is a true sit and click side hustle, which is survey apps. My favorites are Swagbucks and Addapole, and I put a link in the description down below. Surveys can be taken wherever you are, laying on the couch, in the car, in the bathroom. They're not going to get you rich, but you'll definitely have some money each month for your Uber Eats. For effort rating, I give this a 1 out of 5. It's minimal effort to start and participate. For an earnings rating, I give this a 1 out of 5. Low earning potential. It's more for supplementing your income. Side hustle income streams have the opportunity to pay bills, take you on vacation, buy you Uber Eats each month, or even quit your 9 to 5. So dive in and test the waters with one of the options that we just went through. Don't forget to subscribe to join our weekly brainstorming sessions where I can answer any questions you have about side hustles. If you have any questions now, put it in the comments down below, and don't forget to hit the like button so that I can share the 35 side hustles with examples. Thanks for watching.